everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing a Lego review of Lego Disney Raya and the Last Dragon set 30558 from 2021 to 2022. So you can see this is the poly bag and here's the full build. As you can see, you get this beautiful monkey and this beautiful coral color temple. Comes in light blue with white and aqua green and also aqua pink, coral pink. It also has these gold pieces on, this beautiful pearl or crystal, and also you get this beautiful coral leaf with flowers on this beautiful branch. See? And I bought this at Checkers in Port Elizabeth, South Africa in 2022. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and please leave a comment in the comment box below, and please share the links to my videos. If toy companies want to contact me for future sponsorships, my email is in a link in the description box below, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you, bye.